Hi, welcome. Take 6. This is still about a fix of Vivaldi. You can't play YouTube videos on Vivaldi, and how should you approach this? I'm gonna try out the following solution for now. I'm gonna remove anything but Vivaldi. So Widevine goes, ffmpeg binary goes, anything but. So you keep Vivaldi, and then you are going to run the packages that come with Vivaldi. There are two things you can run: the ffmpeg, right, go for it, and the other one, widevine. Both of them, run them and see if then everything works fine. Don't need to reboot, but you do need to shut down Vivaldi. So do that. I'm gonna close all other tabs. So this is the video sound, let me hear, is working, and we have here everything able, well, and we can set everything, we can play everything. Let's try that out, because it means that we need to remove a package from our ISO. Let's see how it goes, and please let me know in the footer here under this video. All right, cheers.